Hello, 8th College. My name is Claire, and welcome to my suite. So here we have the living room. We've got a pretty big couch right here, and then we have our lights up. I put these up actually for Christmas. And then we have a little coffee table here, a little lamp here, and then just a cute little chair. And then here's the view. We are on the 10th floor, so it is very nice. You can see the ocean right over there. Got a little TV here, fake plant, just a little bit of decor. We do have a table, and we have our trusty air fryer. She's always coming in clutch. So we have my room right over here. I am in a double. And we have my roommate's side. She does have a mini fridge and a microwave. Highly would recommend, very convenient. It's worth the investment. And then if we want to take a look at my side, we've got, again, really nice view, big window, lots of lighting. Got my plants here, you know, picture of me and my mom, you know, family's everything to me. Got my shoe rack. Also would recommend for my fashion girlies, you know, you want to have options, but also convenient. Everything's stacked on top of each other. Got this off Amazon, $20. I have my closet. I'm not going to open it up because it's a little disorganized. My bags. And then over this way, we have my bed. It is a twin XL. I would recommend getting like a mattress topper because it depends. If you like a firm bed, you're chilling. I don't like a firm bed. I have a little mattress topper, very helpful. I have my goose. His name's Wilson. I won him at an 8th College event, and they had a wheel. I spun it and I won him. One of my favorite things. And then my little lights, you know, which is nice at night. Right now it's like daytime, so you can't really get the ambiance. Have this painting right here of, I think it might be Mount Rainier. I could be wrong. I'm from Washington State. Thrifted bag. Also for my people coming in, get yourself a computer bag or a backpack. You're gonna need it. You know, walking to Geisel studying. I have my mirror. Also would recommend a mirror, because obviously we have mirrors out there, but like, you know, trying on your outfit in your room, like, and you can look at it, you have a mirror. I didn't mention the desk. These do come out. They are messy. There's a little trend here, yeah. You can use this for laptops. And then this one actually has like a little area that you can put like a lock on. These chairs, they're not bad. Like, look. They go back. The room does come with separate trash cans and recycling cans. Really good, because then you can just, you know, throw your trash away. And there's a trash chute on the same floor. So it's actually very convenient. But yeah. So if you want to follow me this way, we have our little whiteboard where we all did art. I did the Garfield as well as the pumpkin. And then my amazing suite mate M drew this beautiful castle. Love that. Our 2 bathrooms right here. Just right in here if you want to take a little look. This bathroom, very long. Like you've got a couple like paces to the toilet. Interesting design choice, but like she's roomy. We love that, you know? And then if you want to follow me this way, we have 3 sinks, which is great because this is a 13-person resident hall. And on this side, we have about 6 or 7 people. Yeah, triple on the end and then 2 doubles. So that's 7. Yeah, so 7 people, 3 sinks, that works great. And then we have all these cubbies. I have my stuff right here. My Korean skincare, yeah. Kind of Lush. Really good. Then just right over here, we have our shower. I will say the water pressure, excellent. Okay, so here we have the shower. And I am 5'10", and as you can see, the spout is pretty high, which is very convenient. So if you're on the taller side, there's no need to be like breaking your neck to get your hair wet. She's roomy, she's spacious, like she gets the job done.